Hi, are you searching any ideas for YouTube? After watching this video, you're able to make money without AdSense. Keep watch this full video to know the all ideas. Provide YouTube related services like graphic designs, channel review, SEO services, content creation for YouTubers to get more money without AdSense. Since most of the YouTubers are not expert in all those things, they always search for professionals to improve their channel quality. So use this opportunity to help them and get money for that. I provide channel creating and growing advice to get quick monetization for YouTubers. So contact me on earningcampusenglish@gmail.com for appointment. Some link shortening websites give money for every click of their links, but it's doubtful and have lots of errors also. In this method, when the viewer click the link, they play some ads before going to the exact site. We get money for the ads like the same method of AdSense. Don't forget to comment below if you know any trusted and working link shortening websites to make money. Ask your YouTube viewers to get together for a paid Q&A session to get more money. Since in our video we post a common contents only, but the viewer has a lot of different types of doubts. So this Q&A session more helpful to them. Now you think everything is available in Google, then why I need to pay for a Q&A session to clear my doubts? Yeah, it's available, but the excessive contents makes you confused only. Instead of that, ask question to a professional human. You get perfect matching answer only for you, not a common answer like a search result. And comment below if you need to get together with me to clear your doubts. Also subscribe the channel if you are a new viewer. Also click the bell icon to unlimited videos from me. Join Amazon or ClickBank or other affiliate programs and share affiliate links in your video description related to your topic to get money easily. Whenever your viewer buy any products or services through your affiliate link, you get some percentage of commission. My affiliate links available in the description below. Just use it to support me and like the video if you feel it's useful. Before starting your video content, promote or review sponsorship or your products or anything like ebooks, apps, courses, services, softwares, etc. And share the link in description also to make money more. Watch my other videos also to get more earning ideas.